On the evening of Thursday, September 26, 2024, Hurricane Helene made landfall in the Big Bend of Florida as the strongest hurricane to ever hit the area. Early the next morning, Helene maintained its hurricane status, traveling northeast through central Georgia and then exiting into Tennessee and the Carolinas. As Hurricane Helene exited the Georgia Power service territory, it left more than 3,200 downed trees, 72 Southern Linc cell sites off the air, 1,200 broken power poles, 1,500 miles of downed wires, and more than 5,600 damaged transformers.
Hurricane Helene has been the most destructive hurricane in our company's history. We have been monitoring and preparing for Hurricane Helene for days and have more than 10,000 personnel on the ground ready to respond.
We couldn't see from one side of the driveway to another. The only way we were able to exit our property was by foot.
This is right up there with the worst I've seen.
As soon as it was safe, Southern Linc sprang into action to reestablish communications for power restoration teams. By the end of day one following the storm, Southern Linc had resumed cellular operations to 38 of the sites knocked off the air or destroyed by the storm. By the end of day two, all but 2 completely destroyed sites were back on the air, while other carriers serving the 46 Georgia counties declared disaster areas by the FCC had more than 40% of their sites still off the air. To fill coverage gaps and replace 2 destroyed cell sites, Southern Linc deployed 72 mobile networking assets, including generators, satellites, cell sites on wheels, and a one-of-a-kind helikite equipped with LTE equipment. Southern Linc's Critical Link network enabled the Georgia Power team, state agencies, and mutual aid personnel to communicate via push-to-talk when other carriers were still off the air. The communications need for Georgia Power was huge. The company deployed 34 command centers to coordinate storm restoration teams. More than 20,000 men and women from 35 states helped Georgia Power repair and restore power wherever they could. More than 1.5 million customers had power restored. From the morning after the storm to the completion of power restoration, more than 2.85 million push-to-talk calls were carried by the Critical Link network.
We know the road ahead will be long and difficult, but we'll be right there with you. We are here for Georgia, and we are here for you.
We are proud to have supported the restoration efforts of Georgia Power and emergency responders across Georgia.